In the heart of Southeast Asia, nestled between Java and Lombok, lies Bali, an island steeped in history and rich in culture. Known for its distinctive arts, traditional music, and iconic dance forms, Bali is a vibrant tapestry of cultural expressions. It is a place where the past and present coexist, and where stories of old are etched into the landscape and carried forward through generations. One such story is that of the Barong Landung, a unique cultural artifact of Bali with roots that extend far beyond the island's shores. The Barong Landung are a pair of statues, one male and one female, believed to represent the union of Prabu Jayapangus, a Balinese king, and his Chinese wife, Kang Ching-wei. This tale takes us back to the time when Prabu Jayapangus ruled the kingdom of Bali. His reign was marked by his marriage to Kang Ching-wei, a woman of Chinese origin. Their union, viewed as a fusion of cultures, is immortalized in the form of Barong Landung. Over time, the Barong Landung have come to symbolize the concept of Ruwa Binata, a fundamental principle in Balinese Hindu philosophy that signifies the balance between good and evil. The female Barong, with her beautiful Chinese features, embodies the good, while the male Barong, with his terrifying face and long fangs, represents the evil. In the years that followed, the Barong Landung evolved from mere symbols to revered cultural icons. They are now an integral part of religious ceremonies and rituals, believed to possess protective powers that ward off evil spirits. In conclusion, the Barong Landung are more than just a pair of statues. They are the embodiment of a historical cultural fusion, a testament to the island's rich tapestry of cultural expressions. They are a symbol of the balance between good and evil, a principle deeply ingrained in Balinese philosophy. From their origins in the union of a Balinese king and his Chinese wife, to their evolution into revered cultural icons, the Barong Landung represent a fascinating chapter in the history of Bali. They are a reminder of the island's vibrant past, a beacon of its present, and a symbol of its future, preserving the essence of Balinese culture for generations to come.